A small projector, maybe with a battery, can give you big screen TV, movies, and games just about anywhere. Having a mini projector means you no longer need bulky gear or a big budget for a big screen. The best small, portable projectors let you spend movie nights inside a pillow fort, in the backyard, or even out in the wilderness. These products can fit easily in any backpack, and some are small enough to fit in your pocket. Here are our top picks for the best mini projector. Number 5. XGIMI Halo Plus. The XGIMI Halo Plus is a little large to truly be considered mini, but is fairly small. Easily portable is probably a more accurate description. It projects a 1080 picture and has a 2.5-hour battery. It has Android TV built in, so streaming is far easier than with many other portables. It performs far better than most mini projectors, but it's also way bigger and costs a lot more. Number 4. Epson EpiqVision Mini EF12 Smart Streaming Laser Projector. The Epson EpiqVision Mini EF12 Smart Streaming Laser Projector is a more refined version of the Epson EF100. It has a higher resolution at 1080p and lower brightness at 1000 lumens. Both are smaller than typical for laser projectors. Both are designed for streaming and neither supports 3D, but the EF12 offers integrated Android TV instead of a bundled dongle, adds support for 4K UHD input for down converting, and adds HDR support for both HDR10 and HLG. Color accuracy is excellent and the stereo speakers are impressive for the size. Overall, the EpiqVision Mini EF12 has a polished feel, and it's impressive enough to earn an Editor's Choice nod for streaming projectors. Number 3. Anker Nebula Solar Portable. The $600 Anker Nebula Solar Portable fits a lot of features into a small package. Fully portable thanks to a built-in rechargeable battery that can outlast most full-length movies, it has built-in Android TV 9 for streaming over a Wi-Fi connection, screen mirroring, and an HDMI port for connecting to other video sources. Unlike much of its competition, it can also accept 4K input and down-convert it without any hiccups. That combination makes it our new Editor's Choice among portable projectors for home entertainment, replacing Anker's own Nebula Mars 2 Pro. Number 2. KODAK Luma 350 Portable Smart Projector. The KODAK Luma 350 Portable Smart Projector, the flagship of the company's Luma line of palm-top projectors, is brighter than the KODAK Luma 150 unit, but what really sets it apart from the Luma 150 and the Luma 75 is its integration of the Android 6 operating system, letting you install and run Android apps. It projects a reasonably large usable image for its brightness, is fine for casual movie viewing, and does well at projecting photos. It earns our Editor's Choice for a palm-top entertainment projector. Number 1. Viewsonic M1 Mini. Although the palm-top size Viewsonic M1 Mini throws a relatively faint image, physically this projector is bright and cheery, matte white on the sides and bottom, with interchangeable top plates in gray, yellow, and teal. With a cleverly designed built-in stand, above-average image quality, and a simple interface and media player, this affordable, highly portable device is a good choice as an entry-level projector for use in a family room or while on vacation. The M1 Mini's modest brightness limits its usable image size, and it works best in a darkened room.